Now this is actually maybe a very important mindset redirect. Unconsciously, I think we often think that if we're going to be present, like, you know, maybe you've read that John Kabat-Zinn mindfulness meditation book, or like you've studied meditation or mindfulness in some way, and we get this conception that we need to be calm in order to be present. That's not necessarily true. If you have stuff you're showing to the customer that you're really excited about, it is totally fine if your breathing gets faster, if your talking gets faster. You can still be in second circle, you can still be present in that state of energy, but it's just about not pushing over into, now I'm spewing information at you, right? When I was talking yesterday, I said this later in the presentation, but I'm going to say it now because I think it's really important. We can only be in second circle if the person on the other side or the people on the other side are receiving what we're offering. So it's almost like you need to leave a space for the did you get that moment. I call it the did you get that moment, right? I'm actually doing it with you guys nonstop right now. I'm looking at you and I'm watching your eyes is the main way I can tell. If your eyes go, right? And there may not be a lot of movement, a lot of facial expression, but I'm leaving space for the did you get that moment, yeah? Voice. Voice